This is Diana Sullivan in Austin, Texas. I've been playing around with some really easy popcorns. I know you're going to like these because these popcorns really pop out and they're super easy to do. They look like little pine cones, don't they? Anyway, make sure and set your machine so that it'll short row. On this brother, I have it set to H. And you're going to decide where your next popcorn's going to go. Well, I've marked my needle bed. Let's have a look at that. Each popcorn takes 3 needles, so I marked these 3, and these 3. And on my next row, I'm going to make a popcorn here and here, but not in the middle. So I bring all the needles out to hold position to the beginning of the first popcorn, which is this needle right here, and I knit just that far. You see, it only knits these first few stitches and just lays the yarn on top of the rest. Then I put the first few stitches and hold 2 and go back. I was just repositioning. Now I'm going to make the popcorn with my fingers. I'm just going to wind this yarn over 2 and under 1 needle, go back, over 2 and under 1, that's 2 winds, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I like to do 10 winds. Just like that. Push it back against the gate pegs. Now, I'm going to knit just to the beginning of the next popcorn. I'm not doing the middle one, so my next popcorn is that needle. So I'm going to knit this many needles. After I've knitted them, put them in hold, go back to the other side because I've got one more popcorn to make right here. I go over 2 and under 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, there are no more popcorns in the row, so at this point I can put all the needles to be held, the popcorn plus the rest, into working position, and when I go to the left, it'll knit those. That actually finally finishes this row. And then I want to knit back and do 3 rows total. So 1, 2, 3. Now, my next popcorn is going to be in the middle, and I'm going to knit to the popcorn and have everything from the popcorn and on to the left in hold position. And then put these in hold too so that I can double back but not knit anybody. Now I'm going to wind a popcorn over these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now there's only 1 popcorn in this row, so I can go all the way to the other side as I knit this popcorn. And that was the row for the popcorn, and then I need 3 more. So see how fast they went? And these little popcorns, you can pull on them a little, but they really stick out. They make a great looking little surface embellishment for the reverse stockinette side of your work.